Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the new Google AI model. So what exactly it is? It is Google AI Stitch. Okay, so let's see what it does. Okay, so what is Google AI Stitch? Google AI Stitch is a free AI powered UI design tool from the Google apps that converts natural language descriptions, sketches, screenshots, and code into the high fidelity interactive UI design and then exports working front end code. So let's see what exactly it does or not. So let's go to the Google and let's check that. That is Stitch. Okay, so here we have a Stitch, right? So this is the interface of that one. Okay, so if you app or web, so here let's suppose I'm going to ask him, let's create a gym website. Create a simple gym website. Okay, it's simple. Let's give the prompt. Secondly, we have to give the UI also. So let's go to the pin and trust. Okay. Examples, my projects. Okay. So now it's gonna be designing the simple gym website. Let's take a look. Okay. Meanwhile, let's go and just create a screenshot also. And let's say from the screenshots, it will design the website or not. So let's go to the pin and trust. And we have to just check website mockup. So let's see website mockup. Website mockup. Okay, so let's see which mockup would be the best. I think this would be the best one. Okay, so let's open image in the new tab and let's copy the image and let's paste it. Okay, so currently it's generating the screen. Meanwhile, let's pause it, and when it's done, I'll show you. So here you can see that it's ready out the full-fledged landing page for the Zim website. Here you can see, okay, and you can see, you can export it, you can share it, you can play it around. Okay, so here you can see that it can create the now prototype of it. Okay, and in the share what we have, so screens, it give me that on prototype also, so you can see I can use it. Okay, now you can see the prototype is there, right? So now I'm going to make something else with the, prototype is creating. Here you can see that the prototype is there, so you can choose it, send it, and generate the HTML website also. Okay, so here I'm going to paste this, analyze this, and generate website. So let's take a look. So here we have generating. So for the graphic designers, I think this would be the best tool, but there are something issues, right? So let's take a look. Okay, so here we have, so let's go to this one, Stitch workflow. So basically typical project workflow, isolate, diverge, converge, prototype, and then handoff. Export to the Figma also. So for the designer to review and push directly to your coding agent via MCP server, right? So the pro tips we have: be specific, then iterate, use voice for speed, reference components by name, upload color palettes. So it will give you according to, if you have something design in your mind and the color palettes, then make it. So here you can see that colors, design the system rules with colors, primary surface and the text, typography, components, okay, border radius, spacing. So you can define it, right? Okay, and here you can see that the tool, the Figma, Cloud Code, Cursor, Gemini, CLI, Google AI Studio, Anti-Gravity. So integration methods we have. Okay, so all are available. So okay, so you can set up with the help of the this. MCP install and configure it in the settings. Okay, so limitations and the Stitch versus Figma. So okay, so better for the mobile, Stitch shines on mobile app. Okay, monthly quota 350 free generations per month you are getting. No backend logic. Okay, so features, learning curve is Stitch, for the Stitch is low, for the Figma it's high. Speed, it's minutes, hours, days. Fine pixel limited, it's full. Code export native, plugin dependent. Team collaboration, agent manager, real time multiplayer. Design system support, design.md, URL extract, full component libraries. Pricing free, 350 per month, 15 plus editor plus slash month. Backend integration, front end only. So here you can see that Stitch with google.com already we have, you can see, right? So here we have applied the soft wellness. So it will now making the pixels. They have given us a suggestion, so I have given the design also. Okay, and here you can download the project, you can share the project, you can delete the project even. So it's building the design, whatever mockup you can give him, and if you want to change something or else you can just take a look of that. Building the design system. Okay, so mapping out the components. Now it's 10% right now. Let's see. Now you can see that the what at the change I have asked him to do, it changes, right? And here, if the design is this one, let me export it. I think then I can download also. I know preview mode, tablet. Let me see what, where I can just export it. So here you can see this design, all studio. There's a options zip also you can export. And if I just go and just see, so this is, you can see the path, you can see the design is there. Okay, so you can make your work very easily with the help of this, export it, and if you want to change anything you can change it with the help of this one. So here you can see you can ask me to change the primary forest color to this, so play around with it. And if you like the video, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.